All right, everyone, back with another keto recipe, another soup perfect for this time of the year, the fall time. We're going to need 1 pound of ground beef, a thing of the frozen riced cauliflower, baby spinach and arugula, bacon bits, a thing of Ragu Alfredo sauce. I bought the basil flavor, pink salt, pepper, oregano flakes, and Italian seasoning. You're going to need a fry pan, a big pot with a cover, a strainer, and a 1-cupper and a tablespoon. Let's get the food cooked up. Let's start with the ground beef. Add heavily pink salt, pepper, chopping it up, and let's put it on a heat a little higher than medium. Now let's get the cauliflower rice cooked up in the microwave for 6 minutes. Stirring your ground beef periodically, and once it's cooked, we're going to go ahead and strain it. And then we're going to rinse it with hot water to get any excess fat off to save the people that are trying to lose weight right now. Then let's get the soup ready. Use the entire jar of the ragu, and then fill the jar up with water all the way to the top, and then we're going to shake it, pour it into our pot, and then we're going to add another 1/3 cup of water into that, shake it again, and add it into your pot. It's about 4 cups of water. Then add over your ground beef, 2 cups of the baby spinach and arugula mix, 4 tablespoons of the bacon bits, the whole package of the cauliflower rice, and then we're going to add heavily pink salt, light on the pepper, light on the Italian seasoning, and light on the oregano. Give it a good stir, cover this, and then put it on a medium heat. We're going to let it come to a slight boil. You'll see a photo here. Once it's there, we're going to turn it to a simmer and cook for 25 to 30 minutes with a cover to bring all the flavors together. Periodically stir it though. At the end there, give it another good stir and let's serve up. It's 2 cups a serving, 4 servings. I added 2 tablespoons of mozzarella cheese, a tablespoon of bacon bits, and that little bit of spinach and arugula for presentation. Look at how beautiful this looks. And let me tell you, this was absolutely delicious. Tasted like something you'd get at an Italian restaurant with salad. And it's 19 carbs for the entire pot, so it's under 5 carbs a serving. Oh my God, you guys, check this picture out. So delicious. You definitely got to try this one.